Right guys, how's it going? We got a little something different here from Tucson. Not a knife, let's take a look. Well, you already know what it is by the thumbnail. But there we go. Little Prybar, little titanium Prybar. Kind of interesting little thing. So there's the wedge, the pry. Solid titanium. This end, I guess, bottle opener. Pop a bottle open. Not sure what else it can be used for. But yeah, I wanted to try a pry bar. Let's see what it's like at prying. Yeah, a little pot of I don't know what, varnish or something. And this has not been opened yet, so yeah, pry bar's working pretty good. We got that open. Alright, let's get that out of the way before I spill it. Alright, so let's take some measurements. Total length about 60 millimeters. And total width, we'll go at its widest point, is almost 10 mil wide. Alright, that's enough of that. But it is super smooth, goes between, you know, the fingers, real nice. That's comfortable. And you could use that end as a flat end screwdriver. Well, you know, pry bar. That's about it really. Here's some markings on there. And some sort of design mark there. When you look on Amazon, up here, it doesn't give much information on it. But you got to order from China. So let's see the buying options. So just the one buying option, it's 30 bucks and about $4.50 shipping to the US. Don't know how much it would be to your country if you're not in the US. And it takes a while to get to you, don't expect it within 2 days. I think I got it within, it was way faster than what they said it would be. I got it within like a couple of weeks. But I kind of like it. I'm going to attach it to one of my bike keys. There you go, perfect. Nice little key ring. Probably has some other uses, not too sure what yet. Right, let's go see the bike. Been a while since I've been on this one. Been in hospital and all.